Everybody is looking for that secret sauce to side hustle success. Here's your recipe. First up, find your passion. What do you love doing that can also make you money? Maybe it's graphic design, freelance writing, or even dog walking. Next, do your research. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit to find opportunities. See what others are charging and how they present themselves. Then, set competitive prices and create a killer profile. Now, let's talk time management. Balance is key. Use tools like Trello or Asana to organize your tasks. Dedicate specific hours to your side hustle and stick to them. Don't forget to network. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with like-minded hustlers. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Lastly, stay motivated. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your wins. Remember, every step forward is progress. So, ready to crush your side hustle game? Dive in, stay focused, and watch your dreams turn into reality. You've got this. Keep your vision clear and your goals in sight. Consistency is key. Reflect on your journey and share your success story. Inspire others to start their own side hustle. Mentoring others can also help you grow and stay motivated. Remember, the hustle never stops. Embrace the challenges and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off. Celebrate every milestone and enjoy the journey. Your side hustle success is within reach.